Hi, my name is Jason Avon. I'm with Cali Protectives. I'm here to talk about my riding excursion where I was out in Santa Cruz with a bunch of buddies and I ended up doing my best impression of a Superman over the handlebars straight into the ground. I get to this final shoot and next thing you know, tire blows out, face is in the ground. It just happened just like that. Most crashes tend to be really slow motion. This one was bang bang. I was in the ground. Thank goodness I was able to get off the ground. I was able to walk out, and next thing you know, I'm in the emergency room having them tell me I got a broken nose, broken ribs, but thankfully no concussion, and that's what happened.
So you heard about Jason's crash. We're glad he's doing relatively okay, but I have his helmet here. I just want to tell you what happens to your crashed helmet. They actually get to me. I spent some time looking at Jason's helmet and he didn't think he hit his head, and I agree, this thing looks pretty good. But what does happen when you do have a crash is I take them, I inspect them, I like the extra decals added to this one, and we look at what happens. Take them over, I cut it, and see if they perform like how I wanted them to. So once I cut it open, I take a look at how well it crushed versus cracked. We want more crushing than cracking, but they do both. So here we are, I take a look, and from that, we go back to our design sometimes and say, wait, this isn't performing exactly like we want, and we actually make changes based on these crash helmets. It's not just to help riders get back on the trail, we actually take the time, look at how you crashed, and how to fix it.
The Cali Protective Lifetime Crash Replacement. You buy it, you register, you ride it. For the cost of shipping to and from, the first replacement's on us.